In an age defined by unprecedented technological advancements, businesses are undergoing a revolutionary transformation in how they operate and interact with their environment. At the forefront of this digital revolution stands software as a service, commonly referred to as SaaS. This paradigm-shifting concept has rapidly evolved into a cornerstone of modern business operations, offering a novel approach to accessing and utilizing software applications. SaaS has transcended the confines of traditional software models, paving the way for a dynamic subscription-based ecosystem that empowers businesses with unprecedented flexibility, cost efficiency, and collaborative potential. As we navigate through this video, we embark on a journey to unravel the multifaceted layers of SaaS, exploring its intricacies, benefits, and profound impact on reshaping the landscape of contemporary business practices. So before we continue, kindly like our video and subscribe to our channel in order to get notified on our next video. What is SaaS? Software as a Service, SaaS. At its core, software as a service, SaaS, represents a transformative shift in how software is delivered and utilized. In this cloud computing model, software applications are hosted and maintained by third-party providers in a remote data center. Users can access these applications over the internet on a subscription basis, eliminating the need for installation and management on individual devices. SaaS offers numerous advantages, including cost-effectiveness, scalability, and automatic updates. By outsourcing software maintenance and infrastructure management to SaaS providers, businesses can focus on their core activities, foster collaboration, and stay up to date with the latest features and security measures without the burden of traditional software management. In essence, SaaS exemplifies the democratization of software, making powerful tools and solutions accessible to businesses of all sizes without the barriers of high upfront costs or intricate installations. This model has not only redefined how organizations approach software adoption, but has also catalyzed a culture of innovation by enabling businesses to concentrate on their unique offerings and customer experiences, while leaving the intricacies of software upkeep to those with expertise in the field. Benefits of SaaS. The adoption of software as a service, SaaS, heralds a new era of efficiency and agility for businesses across the globe. One of the standout advantages lies in its cost efficiency. By sidestepping the hefty upfront costs associated with traditional software licenses and hardware investments, SaaS democratizes access to powerful applications, particularly benefiting startups and small businesses that can now harness cutting-edge tools without breaking the bank. Moreover, the scalability of SaaS applications is a boon for businesses with fluctuating demands. With the ability to seamlessly accommodate growth or contraction, SaaS ensures that resources are optimally allocated, eliminating the need for extensive overhauls or underutilized investments. This inherent flexibility empowers businesses to pivot swiftly in response to market dynamics, driving innovation and competitiveness. In addition to its economic advantages, SaaS redefines collaboration and accessibility in the modern workspace. The borderless nature of cloud-based applications allows teams to collaborate seamlessly regardless of their geographic locations, amplifying productivity and innovation. This becomes especially pivotal in the wake of remote work becoming the new norm. The automatic updates and maintenance offered by SaaS providers not only ease the burden on internal IT teams, but also guarantee that businesses are always equipped with the latest features and security patches. Consequently, the SaaS model liberates organizations to concentrate on their core competencies, while the experts manage the technological underpinnings, ultimately resulting in heightened efficiency, enhanced customer experiences, and accelerated growth trajectories. Impact on businesses. The advent of software as a service, SaaS, has catalyzed a profound transformation in how businesses operate and engage with their customers. By offering cost-effective and user-friendly solutions, SaaS has democratized access to advanced software tools, enabling startups, small businesses, and enterprises alike to harness cutting-edge technology. This democratization has spurred unprecedented levels of innovation and competition, as even resource-constrained organizations can now leverage sophisticated applications to enhance their operations and offer novel products and services. Moreover, The data-centric nature of SaaS applications has revolutionized how businesses understand and serve their customers. Real-time insights, analytics, and predictive capabilities provided by SaaS tools enable data-driven decision-making, allowing companies to tailor their offerings to meet customer demands with precision. This heightened level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives brand loyalty and retention. In an era where customers seek tailored experiences, SaaS empowers businesses to build lasting relationships by delivering value that resonates on an individual level. Challenges and considerations in embracing SaaS. While software as a service, SaaS offers a multitude of benefits. Businesses must navigate a few challenges and considerations when adopting these cloud-based solutions. Data security stands as a paramount concern. As organizations entrust their valuable data to external SaaS providers, ensuring robust security measures becomes imperative. While reputable providers implement stringent security protocols, businesses should conduct thorough due diligence, scrutinizing the provider's security practices and compliance with industry regulations to safeguard sensitive information. Another consideration is the potential for vendor lock-in. While SaaS solutions provide convenience and efficiency, transitioning from one provider to another can be intricate. This is particularly true when migrating data and integrating processes between different SaaS applications. Businesses should anticipate this challenge by selecting providers with data portability options and maintaining a strategic approach to vendor relationships, allowing flexibility if a shift becomes necessary. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, carefully balancing the advantages of SaaS with these challenges will ultimately determine the success of its integration into an organization's operations. In a world where technological progress accelerates at an unprecedented pace, software as a service, SaaS, has emerged as a transformative force, redefining the way businesses operate and engage with their customers. As a beacon of innovation, SaaS offers a dynamic and accessible approach to software delivery, propelling organizations into a realm of heightened efficiency, scalability, and collaboration. By liberating businesses from the shackles of traditional software deployment, SaaS liberates valuable resources and time, enabling them to channel their energies towards innovation, growth, and customer-centric strategies. However, in the pursuit of harnessing the immense potential of SaaS, businesses must remain vigilant, addressing concerns such as data security, connectivity dependencies, and vendor relationships. As the SaaS landscape continues to evolve, its impact on businesses, industries, and economies is undeniable, a testament to the agility and adaptability that define the digital era.